rose. Oh yeah, I'm finna pop. Yeah, baby, hit the spot like summer and some dipping dots. Jackpot sound coming at you through a different slot. You can try your luck, but end up missing from a liver shot. Ooh yeah, oh baby, it's my season. Straight up out the water, I'm so well, I'm artesian. Girl in my DM. Every time suspicion hit you, ask about it, she gon' swear that God, she got amnesia. Even if she taken, I might still come for her like my name was Liam Neeson. I don't do no beating around the bush. That's a double entendre. Bitch, you wouldn't get it if you studied it for weekends. I'ma put a pause. Every rapper out here rapping like they got it all on. God, I'm so appalled. If I don't get the recognition now, that's okay because my hustle real strong. I could ball like Jabbar, club pack, wall to wall. Spring back on them cause I know summer, winter, summer, fall. Spring, summer, winter, fall. Yeah, I'm so seasoned, bitch, I can do it all, yeah. I can sell water to a fish. I can tell your girl, gon' bend it over quick. She gon' hit a flip. Tell her she can take it if she want it. Bet you all the money that I got up in my pocket, she gon' hit a lick. That's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, that's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, you ain't gotta ask. You can tell, you can smell YSL. When I step into the office with my clientele, I can tell you a joke, might as well entertain me like Chappelle. You so thirsty for attention in the desert, you could find a well, alive and well. I'm fly as hell, yeah, okay. My fan base like ICP and tell Al, give me RESPICT. I like my leaf water hot, that's no ICT. My IQ look like I'm out of a Ivy League. My swag drip like I'm coming out of Ivy. Please, my shot across between CP3 and then white BD. Yeah, that's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, that's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, no. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Spit him up in a minute, taking him. I'm just playing. You gon' push me to my breaking point, that's a hard fact. We had an agreement, you got greedy, then you double back. That's a no-no, it don't work like that. We were friends, knowing me, how you thought you'd get away with that? If you switching up, I might have to switch your little face up. Right hand to the gavel, either way I'm getting caked up. Lying in the sand, pretty boy, what you made of? I can flip your shit, take your chick and your pay stub. I don't play the field, I hit my Dougie from the skybox. Playing with my funds, it get ugly like a cyclops. My God, I ain't been this livid since my dad kicked me out the house. We had an agreement, now you tryna give the runaround. Bad move, you shouldn't have done me like that. You pay the price, don't take advice, make bad moves. The wrong move, you could've played your cards right, now it's bad news. You acting like a bitch, grade A. It's time to ride, you better make way. Yeah, when it comes to this, I don't take breaks. And because of this, I need a pay raise. I gotta ask myself for a pay raise. Hey Nate, what do you say, mate? Well shit, dog, you a real boss. And that gross looking like it made weight. So okay, wait. Tell me how you gonna get rid of the body you got in front of you. Probably should get a shot and put a hole through his body. Like to do is a hobby, like do, get the fuck out of here. But I might do him different from a gut check. Cause if he do die, then I'm a suspect. So I might cut the legs off his client base and watch his dreams die from my success. Bad move, you shouldn't have done me like that. You pay the price, don't take advice, make bad moves. The wrong move, you could've played your cards right, now it's bad news. Yeah, I know you dog, you do wrong, need some backup. You don't get a pass, make us mad, you get smacked up. Act up, I stick to the facts, then I rack up. You ain't got a chance, see my fans, I get mad love. Yeah, I know you dog, you do wrong, need some backup. You don't get a pass, make us mad, you get smacked up. Act up, I stick to the facts, then I rack up. You ain't got a chance, see my fans, I get mad love. You don't want facts, you don't wanna hear another side. Rather sit back and be mad. You don't wanna humanize anybody with a different view. Let them be or give them any kind of past. You don't want this, you don't want that. You don't wanna be cool, try to bridge gaps. Life is a whole lot better when you don't gotta face yourself. You can blame it on white, you can blame it on black. Blame it on rich, you can blame it on fat. You can blame it on anybody but yourself. You can blame it on men, blame it on crack. You can blame it on the government. You can blame anybody but yourself. Now when did responsibility become a taboo? It took me 8 years to make any money off a rap, but I always got back in the booth, getting back to the truth. I am not perfect, I dealt with a lot, but that's not an excuse. I try to learn every chance that I get. I got problems to solve and myself to improve. I got relationships that done caved in like a roof. Like the one with my dad, I hope one day it's better for real, but for now it's confused. And I did a lot in my past, I look back and regret, but for now it's bruised. I have been thinking about that for an hour or two before writing this verse. I let it simmer again till I feel like I rationalize what I heard. But you on the other hand rather play victim and don't ever think for yourself. You follow the mob and be one with the cause, but can never relinquish yourself. And you got some demons and I got some demons that we like to leave on the shelf. But face them and grow, but you would never know because you don't want facts, you don't wanna hear another side. Rather sit back and be mad. You don't wanna humanize anybody with a different view. Let them be or give them any kind of pass. You don't want this, you don't want that. You don't wanna be cool, try to bridge gaps. Life is a whole lot better when you don't gotta face yourself. You can blame it on white, you can blame it on black. Blame it on rich, you can blame it on fat. You can blame it on anybody but yourself. You can blame it on men, blame it on crack. You can blame it on the government. You can blame anybody but yourself. Yeah. Blame, I could take it for you. Will it make you happy if I take it for you? Rather be an angel than a face with demons. I could take it for you, I could take it for you. Yeah. Blame, I could take it for you. Will it make you happy? Take it for you, rather be an angel in the face of demons. I can take it for you, I can take it for you.
This place that everyone got no patience and everything's in your face, killing your imagination, not paying attention. So full of aggression, so full of aggression, not paying attention. You got me losing connection. I'm in a temporary home, so full of aggression, not paying attention. You got me losing connection. I'm in a temporary home. The pressure, the rush is all too much, and it's killing your imagination, not paying attention. So full of aggression, so full of aggression, not paying attention. You got me losing connection. I'm in a temporary home, so full of aggression. me losing connection.